Hey guys, today I'm going to be making some fajitas. So I've got this Old El Paso one. It's a fajita kit. It's a smoky barbecue one. Yeah, so what I've done is I've already gone ahead and chopped the onions. So I've got 2 onions here. My pot's a bit small, that's why they look like a lot, but they're not really. Just going to go ahead and add some oil to this. Pot. Right, so I've got half a can of tin tomatoes here. I've got garlic and ginger here. These green chilies here, and obviously you want to add the salted chilies to your own taste. Right guys, to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, now that they're slightly brown, I'm just going to add in the garlic and ginger just to let it cook with the onions. Guys, I've just added the chilies into there. The onions look like this now. Let's see if we can zoom it in. So that's what the onions look like now. I'm just going to add in the half can of tin tomatoes that I have. Got this seasoning mix packet from the fajita box, which I'm going to add to it. I'm only going to add half of that. I'm not going to add it all because I do want to add my own masalas. So that's about a half. I'm going to add that much. Got a teaspoon here. I'm going to add some coriander and cumin seeds. I'm gonna also add in 2 teaspoons of paprika powder, and then I've got my mum's masala, which I'm only gonna add in half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Right, just gonna mix this all in. I'm just gonna throw some water in here and leave it on low fire to simmer for about 5 minutes with the lid on. Guys, this has been simmering. Ooh, very close to burning actually. But thank God I got to it in time. Got my chicken here. It's about half a kg. Just gonna add that in. I've washed it and I've chopped it up. If you probably can hear something in the background, it's football because Premier League is back on, unfortunately. And the washing machine is on. Guys, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cook the chicken for about 20 minutes to half an hour. And I'm going to put into here red kidney beans, some mushrooms. So I'm just going to turn you off because you are starting to flash red. I need to charge you. And I'm going to get everything chopped up. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Guys, so the chicken's been cooking for around 20 minutes. So it's been cooking for around 20 minutes. and you guys were on charge. I'm going to add in the mushrooms first, and I'm just gonna mix them in. Now I've just been stirring them for about like 2-3 minutes. Just gonna add in the peppers in as well so they can cook. I had like a quarter of a yellow pepper left, so I just thought I'll add that in too. Hi guys, I've got the kidney beans here, a whole can of kidney beans. I'm gonna add that all in. Okay, I'll just put the heat low. I've got this packet of sauce that came in the fajita kit box. It's the salsa. I'm just gonna add, so because I've got the family pack, it comes with 2. I'm just gonna add 1 into here. Guys, I've taken all the sauce out of it. I've just put some water into the packet just because I don't want any sauce to go to it, so I'm just going to pour that on top. Put the fire up. We're just going to let everything cook in that sauce and the water on low fire. Let's give it a good mix first. And then we're going to turn the heat down and let everything cook in that sauce and the water. And then we're going to start wrapping the fajitas and put some cheese on and put it into the oven. Okay guys, so now it's time to wrap the... I'm going to make enchiladas instead of fajitas. So I've got a baking tray here, which I got from IKEA. So I've got that. I've got my mix here, which is nicely cooked through, and I've got the fajita, the enchilada wraps here. So what I'm going to do is wrap, and then I'm just going to put the mix into. So put the mix like that, probably just a little bit more, and then I'm just going to roll it like so. Just place it into the tray like that. Now that that's all done, I've got the second packet of sauce here, and I'm just going to spread that on top. So guys, I've got some grated cheese here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it into my hand and just put it over. Now guys, I'm just going to pop this into the oven and let the cheese melt. So guys, I've just taken it out of the oven. I've made some garlic bread just for a side, and I've got some salad. But how yummy does that look? It smells absolutely amazing in here.